Okay, welcome to a new episode of Home Tech and Engineering. Uh, Today we're going to look at some of the picture taken with a vintage camera Toyocaflex 35. In previous episode, I show everyone how to take a picture with this vintage camera. Now, we got I developed the film taken by that camera. Uh, yeah, that kind of camera is some kind of a rare kind. Not that easy. You can see that. So, uh, so it's worthwhile to take some shot with that kind of camera. That's what we did on October 9th, 2021. Uh, I developed the film using developer D76. Uh, Now let's enjoy some of the photos. Hey, we're going to put the photo into this scanner. Okay, we select 35. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. Ha. Let's see. This is the first one. Taken with that camera. You remember that how we take it? We're using the width level viewfinder to take the view. If you're interested in it, you can watch my previous episode. Okay, we're going to save this. That looks pretty good. Okay, we're going to save it. Now, there's some more. Okay. Yeah, this. By the way, this is a nice scanner. It's low cost, relatively easy to use. It give you ordinary size of the scanned photo. So and not that expensive. And by the way, I have nothing to do with this scanner manufacturer. I'm not help them to selling any of these equipment. Ooh, that's okay photo. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay one. We're going to save this one. Okay. Now, let's see another photo. Ooh. Eh. Yeah. Probably we move the camera, shake the camera while taking it. But, you know, for the sake of record, I'm going to save this too. I'm not going to save it. We're not going to save this photo. Ooh. Probably we have to adjust exposure value a little bit on this. Ooh. Let's see. Let's see. Going to adjust that. That's I'm going to keep it that way. I'm going to save this one. What the hell? Save it. I move to next one to see how we look. Oh, yeah, this one I took it in different location besides a pond. Yeah. Probably will have to adjust EV value a little bit. No. Let me see. Cancel it. I'm going to cancel. Cancel it. Let's see. That's better. That's better. That's better. Maybe. Okay. Keep that way. Okay. We're going to save it. Okay. Move to. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, you know. Because we don't have a filter for this camera. Otherwise, it could be a little bit better. It's hard to find a filter for this type of very small size of the lens. Okay, this is another one. Let's see. Probably will have to just the value a little bit. EV value a little bit. Let me see. This could be better. This could be better. And this could be better. Okay, this is better. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna save it. I think this maybe we have another one. Do we have ooh, that's it. This is the this is probably this is the last one. Do we have some? Maybe there's some more. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Oh, you see, we have some dirt here on the screen. I have to. There's some dirt on the screen. Yeah, I have to clean it. You see, there's some dirt. Oh shit. Let me see. You see, there's some dirt. We need to clean it. So that's the problem of this type of scanner. You see? Okay. We have easy to get dirt into it. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. Maybe we have few more shots with this camera. Of course, there's many more I take with other camera. I'm not going to show you the photo taken with another camera, but another camera. Those camera are interesting camera, you know. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have to adjust the value a little bit. EV value a little bit. Let me see. Maybe this is better. Who knows? This is better. Yeah. Save it. Okay. Okay. We got that. Got that. This photo is taken with other camera, not taken with a Pentax 3 film camera. That's a pretty old camera too. I'm not going to show you, spend too much time on this, okay? So anyway, we have a couple of shots taken with Toyota 35. I scan it. I will put the those scanned photo into the video stream. I combine it, then I'll upload it. Any one of you enjoy it, just take a look at it. At least you have a chance to see the photo taken with this vintage camera. And that camera, you're not going to see it too often nowadays. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.